Hey folks, by now you would have all heard about the four new concepts that Mahindra showcased at the Independence Day 2025 event they held in Mumbai. And these are the two I really want to talk about today, the Vision SXT and the Vision T. This will, as Mahindra has already confirmed, be the electric version of the Thar. But let's start with a little bit about the new NU underscore IQ platform that will underpin not just these two cars, but also the Vision S and the Vision X. Now, this new platform is very interesting for a couple of reasons. The wheelbase on this platform is 2665 millimeters. It's only 100 millimeters less than the dedicated InGlow electric platform that underpins the BE6 and XEV9E. This platform, however, will be front wheel drive and all wheel drive only. It's a monocoque platform, and that makes it very interesting. Now, let's look at these two vehicles, the Vision T and the Vision SXT. This will probably be the next generation Thar, even though I would like to think the way they've designed this will make it more like a Thar Sport, like you have the Defender Sport or the Range Rover Sport, a lighter version. Now, the new IQ platform, unlike any other platform Mahindra has done until now, is both a ICE platform and a EV platform. Mahindra has come out very strongly against hybrids in the past. And when I asked Rajesh Jejurikar whether they'll have a hybrid support on this platform, he reiterated that point. But he also said that this platform is capable of hybrids depending on demand and depending on market dynamics. Now, why do I think this will be a sort of Thar Sport and Thar Pickup and Thar Electric rather than the Thar itself, the next generation Thar or Thar Rocks? That is because when I spoke to Velusamy R, who is now president of the automotive division, and the man who engineers all these things, uh, it is because he also said he continues to love the ladder on frame platform, which is there on the Thar Rocks, and the Scorpio. This is a monocoque platform, and I think Mahindra has a lot of history with those vehicles on the ladder on frame platform. Now, you can see in the exterior looks of this car, this will not have those issues that Mahindra has had in the past with Stellantis. You can argue that this sort of looks like a rip-off of Baby Hummer, as some people called it. I don't think so. I think Pratap's done a fantastic job with these vehicles. They look butch, they look they look the part. I don't know how much of this will come to fruition, but looking at Mahindra's previous concepts, I think Mahindra does a very good job of realizing a concept to reality. Of course, some things will be changed for regulatory reasons, such as the side mirrors, maybe, and while Mahindra did point out the new IQ platform can support very big wheels, you're talking about 20-inch plus wheels here, and you know how people love oversizing wheels on off-road vehicles. I'm sure these vehicles will be able to support oversized wheels as well, as you can see right here. And with electrics, I'm really sure that the new IQ platform will allow an electrified version of an off-road car. Now let's look a bit of the interiors of this car. They look very nice. Of course, Mahindra has been doing very nice interiors. You see that even the XUV and the Scorpio, but a huge screen, a digital display instrument cluster up front. The seats look very, very nice on these renders. And I really like the Vision SXT's gear shifter. And of course, I don't think these 4-point seat belts will come to reality, but they look really cool. Again, this is a concept, but we saw the Thar E in Cape Town a couple of years ago. Now that has been refined, that has been made smaller. Now the design process has been very iterative. Pratap's done a fantastic job on the design, as he always does. But let's see how much of that translates into reality. I'm really looking forward to the electric version of these cars when they do come out. I think Mahindra's done a great job on the BE6 and XEV9E. They've made electric vehicles attractive, and a Thar electric or even a Thar pickup electric will do fantastically well. We know that it will have the potential to have dual front and rear motors, even though Velu did point out that demand for all-wheel drive electrics has been very, very limited. But of course, it's a Thar, right? It has to be all-wheel drive. Everybody likes having that 4x4 four-wheel drive sticker on a Thar. So let's see how much of this comes to reality, and let's see when we actually get these cars on the market. Mahindra said another couple of years when the first new IQ cars will come out. I think the first car will be the Vision X, though, and I'll talk about that in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel.